I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on your Cricket wireless account, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section and find the security or privacy settings. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to access the settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. You should see an option to disable two-factor authentication. Click the toggle or button to turn it off and confirm any prompts that appear. Step 5. Verify changes. After disabling, log out and then log back in to ensure that two-factor authentication is no longer active. You should not receive any verification codes upon logging in. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so consider the risks before proceeding. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out to Cricket Wireless customer support. Happy browsing!